Hallelujah, all people. In the entire earth there is a lot of tribes, but in earthly zone races there are African tribes, European tribes, Asian tribes, Indian tribes, Arabian tribes, and Red Indian tribes. I don't think so, for those love and fear God do not desire to born in new tribes of God, 12 tribes of New Jerusalem. If people praise themselves through their earthly tribes, what about new tribes of God, which is great and above all praise? Because when a person, he or she, born a new tribe of God, one of 12 tribes of New Jerusalem, the nature of his or her earthly tribe is removed forever upon him or her, and he or she become forever the offspring of particular tribe that he or she has been born, which is offspring of living God of heaven and the Lamb of God. He or she become the new offspring child of living God of heaven and the Lamb of God. Just like a little baby come out from her mother's womb. Just like a little baby everyone desire to carry, the same way all heaven will witness the birth of elect by become new offspring child. All angels of heaven sing the new song, saying, Hosanna, Hosanna to the new offspring child of living God of heaven and the Lamb of God. And 4 living creatures and 24 elders sing a new song, saying, Forever reign the King, forever reign the King.